why did we restore this lovely Opel Kadett of 1965, which is, by the way, the youngest known example of this car?
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. Je suis une poupée de cire, une poupée de son. Mon cœur est gravé dans mes chansons, poupée de cire, poupée de son.
Io mai ti darò una nuova Cadillac ed ora tu vai sulla nuova Cadillac.
Because we can.